Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. Again I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video we have talked about degrees, right? Degrees we have done in four ways, right? We have to do in four ways. One process we have completed, that's called superlative to positive degree. In that superlative to positive degree we have talked about like no other plus the structure, the formula of superlative to positive degree is no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. As adjective as is the identity of positive degree. Okay, and the identity of superlative degree, it's quite easy. The article we consider as an identity. Okay, another identity is the superlative form of that adjective, okay, where we get est in the word in the adjective. Another identity of superlative degree is one of the. Okay, so the rules we have seen, so I'll repeat one more time. The structure what we were discussed about the superlative to positive degree, that is no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. This is the structure, this is rule number one. And in rule number two we have discussed about like if one of the is given in the sentence, then we will use very few in place of no other. Okay, today we are going to talk about superlative to comparative degree. Okay, superlative to comparative degree में जो rules हैं वो हम देख लेते हैं पहले. Rule number one says subject plus helping verb plus comparative degree plus then plus any other plus remaining part of the sentence. Right, one more time. Subject is there, we will write the subject first. After that we have to write the helping verb, whatever the helping verb is given, जो भी helping verb दिया होगा that helping verb we will write plus comparative degree. Okay, plus then is the identity of comparative plus any other is also identity. Okay, plus remaining part of the sentence. Here I mean to say, when we will convert the sentence from superlative to comparative, then we have to follow this structure because this structure is for comparative. ये जो structure है, ये जो rule है, ये comparative degree का है. Just what we have seen in the superlative to positive degree. Okay, so hope so. Now rule number two says if one of the is given in the superlative degree, अगर superlative degree में one of the दिया है, then most other or many other, ये दोनों में से कोई भी एक. Okay, most other or many other, whether you use most other or whether you use many other, right? So you have to use one. Okay, so if one of the is given in the superlative degree, then most other or many other is used in place of any other. Any other की जगह पे most other या तो फिर many other use किया जाएगा. Few changes would be happen obviously. Okay, the noun form would be changed, but here the helping verb wouldn't change because the position of a helping verb comes here फर्स्ट. यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब की जो पोजीशन है वो पहले आती है. सुपरलेटिव टू पॉजिटिव डिग्री में हमने देखा कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब की पोजीशन पार्ट ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री उसके बाद में आती है. ओके, सो हियर द रूल्स आर देयर. ओके, स्पेशली फॉर सुपरलेटिव टू कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी थ्रू द रूल्स के हिसाब से हम लोग देखते हैं. टुडे वी विल टॉक ओनली अबाउट द सुपरलेटिव टू कंपैरेटिव. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. होप सो गाइज यू आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस एट होम, you will understand properly. Okay, so let's see. I'll write here India is the biggest international service provider. Now one sentence I have written on the board, one statement is there. India is the biggest international service provider. By looking this sentence we can identify, we can get that this sentence has given in a superlative form. ये जो sentence है ये superlative form में दिया है. How we will identify, हमें मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा? By the help of this adjective. ये जो biggest है, big, bigger, biggest, ये जो biggest है, this shows that the whole sentence will go in a superlative form. ये पूरा का पूरा sentence superlative form में आ गया. तो one identity is over here, एक identity, एक पहचान यहाँ पर है, that est in the adjective. Okay. Another identity is the article. ये जो article है the, इससे भी हम पहचान सकते हैं कि this sentence goes into superlative form. Okay. So what our rule says, if we have to convert, suppose in bracket if you get, अगर आपको bracket में बोला जाता है कि change into comparative degree. Okay, change into comparative degree. Now this instruction you got in the bracket, you received in the bracket, आपको bracket में ये instruction मिला है. So how you will react, okay, how you will work on that, right? तो आप इसके ऊपर काम कैसे करेंगे? Obviously the rules are there. What rule number 1 says for superlative comparative? Superlative to comparative के लिए rule number 1 क्या बोलता है? Subject plus helping verb plus comparative degree plus than plus any other plus remaining part of the sentence. Here we have to remember the rule, we have to remember the formula. Okay, हमें rule यहाँ पर याद रखना पड़ेगा. So according to the rule number 1, how we will convert into comparative? What is subject over here? India. Okay, so we'll write India. So India plus helping verb is there. So India is. Okay, now we will write comparative degree. So what is the biggest of comparative? Comparative biggest का comparative degree होगा bigger. So India is bigger. Then we will add than. Than is essential. Than is important. We have to add. Than is a identity. Than जो है वो identity है. So India is bigger than. Okay. Any other. Now here we will use any other. Why we will use any other? यहाँ पर any other क्यों use किया जाएगा? Because in this sentence one of the is not given. ये sentence में one of the नहीं दिया है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर any other use करेंगे. If suppose if we get one of the, then we will use many other or most other in place of any other according to rule number 2. Rule number 2 के हिसाब से. Okay, now here one more time, India is the biggest international service provider. So how we will change into comparative? इसे comparative में कैसे बदला जाएगा? India is bigger than any other. India is bigger than any other international service provider. So here we have done, my dear friends, right? So how we have done, let's check out one more time. India is the biggest international service provider, change into comparative degree. This sentence, this statement has given into superlative. Now we have to convert into comparative. So how we will change? According to rule number 1. Rule number 1 के हिसाब से India is bigger than any other international service provider. India is bigger than any other international service provider. This is how we have done. Okay, especially superlative to comparative degree. Suppose यही sentence अगर one of them में दिया रहता तो how we will do? यही sentence one of them में दिया तो let's check out. India is one of the. India is one of the biggest international service provider. Okay, India is one of the biggest international service provider. Now here in this sentence one of the is given, so definitely we will apply rule number 2. If one of the is given in the sentence, then we will use most other or many other in place of any other. Any other की जगह पे हम most other या फिर many other. How we will do that? Let's check out. कैसे होगा देखते हैं. So subject plus helping verb, so subject would be India. India is bigger. India is bigger than. Now here one of the is given, then we will use most other or many other. Most other use करो या फिर many other use करो. Why? Because in this sentence in superlative degree one of the is given. One of the दिया है तो definitely we will use most other. अगर sentence में one of the नहीं दिया है then we will use any other, especially when we will deal with superlative to comparative. Okay, so here India is bigger than most other. You can use many other. Most other लिखो या फिर many other लिखो, बात एक ही है. Okay, so India is bigger than most other. Most other international service provider. Okay, India is bigger than most other international service provider. Whatever material, whatever thing you will get in the sentence, same thing you have to write in the answer also when you will convert from superlative to comparative degree. Okay, so this is way how we deal with superlative to comparative. Hope so that you guys understood. Okay, so let's check out one more और देखते हैं. We'll take it in a both way, without one of the and with one of the. Okay, so let's see how we will do that. So let's take another example. Okay, hope so that simultaneously you also doing practice. Okay, if you find to deal with superlative to comparative or superlative to positive, then just go through with the rules. आप rules अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे, so you will get better idea. Okay, so let's check out another. Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is the highest. Nobel Prize is the highest award in the world. Now this is the sentence I have written. Nobel Prize is the highest award in the world. Okay, the sentence what we got, what we have done on the board, that is in superlative form. ये जो sentence है ये superlative form में है. How we will identify? Because of the est in the adjective or the article. ये जो the article होता है especially after the helping verb. Okay, that is the identity of superlative. ये superlative की identity है. So दो आइडेंटिटी है. ओके, नाउ दिस सेंटेंस हैज गिवन इट टू सुपरलेटिव, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू कंपैरेटिव अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल नंबर 1. रूल नंबर 1 के हिसाब से सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस कंपैरेटिव डिग्री प्लस देन प्लस एनी अदर प्लस रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. फ्रेंड्स, हियर वी हैव टू रिमेंबर द रूल. यहाँ पर हमें रूल याद रखना पड़ेगा. सो हाउ विल डू दैट? ओके, सो नोबेल प्राइज, Nobel Prize is higher. Nobel Prize is higher than any other. Nobel Prize is higher than any other award. Nobel Prize is higher than any other award in the world. Okay, this is what we have done, right? So Nobel Prize is the highest award in the world. So how we will convert, how we will make it into comparative degree? Nobel Prize is higher than any other award in the world. Why we have written over here any other? यहाँ पर any other क्यों किया? Because in this sentence one of the is not given. Suppose if we get वन ऑफ द, अगर हमें वन ऑफ द मिलता तो कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं? हाउ वी विल ट्रीट, हाउ वी विल गिव द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर दैट. सो लेट्स चेक आउट वन मोर टाइम, स्पेशली फॉर वन ऑफ द. सो नोबेल प्राइज इज वन ऑफ द हाइएस्ट, Nobel Prize is one of the highest award in the world. Nobel Prize is one of the highest award in the world. Now here one of the is given, so definitely we will use most other or many other. In first sentence, like in first or second sentence, we have used like most other. So let's check out with many other. यहाँ पर many other से डील करते हैं. So how will do that? Subject would be as it is. So Nobel Prize is higher. Nobel Prize is higher than many other. Nobel Prize is higher than many other awards. Now here a small change would be happening, right? Nobel Prize is higher than many other awards. Okay, Nobel Prize is higher than many other awards in the world. Okay, so like this we will do the treatment इस प्रकार से. Okay, we will deal specially for superlative to comparative degree. Superlative to comparative degree के लिए we will deal like this. Okay, so hope so that you are getting. Okay, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है. Hope so that. Okay, superlative to comparative degree, we are dealing specially for superlative to comparative degree. Okay, let's check out some more examples. कुछ और examples देखते हैं. Guys, you have to do practice for this thing. Rules are available over there, right? We have discussed about the rules के बारे में हमने बातचीत भी की है, उसे समझा है. So let's check out some more examples. कुछ और examples देखते हैं. Helen Keller was the greatest woman. Helen Keller was the greatest woman in the world. Now one sentence I have written on the board. Helen Keller was the greatest woman in the world. So how we will change into comparative? Comparative में कैसा बदला जाएगा? Obviously according to rule number 1. So what are rule number 1 says? Subject plus helping verb. So what is the subject over here? Helen Keller. So Helen Keller, helping verb plus comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of greatest? Greater. Okay, so Helen Keller was greater than any other woman in the world. Okay, so what we have done? Helen Keller was greater than any other woman in the world. This is what we have done for superlative to comparative. Suppose if we get one of the, अगर one of the दिया रहता तो कैसा करते हैं हम लोग? Okay, let's check out. So I'll mention over there, Helen Keller was one of the. If we get one of the, then definitely we will use many other or most other in place of any other. Okay, so Helen Keller was one of the greatest women in the world. Full stop. Okay, so how we will make it into comparative? Comparative में इसे कैसा किया जाएगा? Let's check out. So subject would be as it is. Helen Keller was greater. Helen Keller was greater than most other. Now here the noun form would be changed. Woman है तो it will make it like woman in a plural form. So Helen Keller was greater than most other women in the world. Okay, so like this we will do the conversion. We will do the conversation especially for superlative to comparative degree. Okay, so according to rules, according to rule number 1 or rule number 2. Okay, rule number 1 says like if one of the is not given in the superlative degree, then we don't use most other or many other. अगर सेंटेंस में one of the नहीं दिया रहा तो हम most other और many other नहीं लगाएंगे. Okay, सेंटेंस में अगर one of the दिया रहा तो definitely we will use most other or many other in place of any other. Okay, especially for superlative to comparative degree, superlative to comparative degree के लिए. Okay, so hope so that you have understood. Like this you will do the practice by taking different various kinds of examples. Okay, so this is quite enough, right? Let's revise. Okay, थोड़ा revise करते हैं. Superlative to positive degree में मैंने बात की थी that no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. Okay, if one of the is given in the superlative degree and we have to convert into positive, then we will use very few in place of no other. No other की जगह पे हम very few use करते हैं. Here the structure would be as it is, subject plus helping verb plus comparative degree plus than plus any other plus remaining part of the sentence, right? Here if one of the is given in the superlative degree and we have to convert into comparative, then we will use most other or many other in place of any other. And a small change would be happen over here. After most other or in many other, the noun form would be go in a plural way. Noun form जो है वो plural में चला जाएगा. So this is the grammar that specially for degrees what we have done, जो हमने किया है. So hope so that you have understood well. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Hope so that, right? So and one thing, right, one more thing, like whatever the grammar sections we are doing through the videos we are listening, that we have to listen very carefully, we have to do practice on that. उसके ऊपर हमें practice करना है. Okay, you always sit with pen and paper, always sit with copy and do the practice. If you find any difficulty, then watch the videos again and again. Okay, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा videos देखेंगे. और रहा सवाल lessons का, right? So lessons is not possible to teach in a one video. It's take like too much time. Like if I'm going to teach one lesson, then I'll take like 3 or 4 videos to finish, and in that also like semi English would be there, higher English would be there. So it's not possible for me that I'll teach the lessons. So lessons वाला जो part है that you have to do by your own, ये आपको खुद से करना पड़ेगा. You have to read the lessons, you need to understand the lessons. आपको lessons समझने पड़ेंगे, because in examination you will get the passages, okay, ready-made passages. So you improve your reading skills. आप अपने reading skills improve कीजिए. Okay, so it's not possible, right? in one video that we will wind up the lessons हम पढ़ा दें, तो ये possible नहीं है. You just concentrate on grammar and writing skills. Okay, writing skills भी you guys have the book composition writing skills book. In that book all format has given, format पूरा दिया हुआ है, especially for letters, report writing, dialogue writing, right, expansion of idea. You guys have speech writing, you guys have story writing, right? All format of all writing skills has given in the composition writing skills book. So that book you will purchase, or it might you have already that book, right? So go through that, do practice, and whenever I'll put the instruction, whenever I'll put the announcement, you read the announcement carefully and you work according to that announcement के हिसाब से आप काम करें. So hope so that this part has done. Especially two things we have done in degrees में हमने दो चीज़ें कर ली है. One is superlative to positive we have done, then superlative to comparative just right now we have completed. Okay, after that we will talk about comparative to positive and positive to comparative. Okay, so that in 4 ways we will talk about that thing, right? 4 ways में हम लोग डिग्रीज के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो होप सो दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड वेल, राइट, एंड यू विल डू प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी पैनिक दैट फॉर द एग्जाम्स एंड other things, right? Already we have taken 2 paper for 80 marks. 1 paper I have taken for practice for 80 marks. After that I have taken another paper. That paper has come in a board examination, right? 2020, March 2020. So that paper everybody has to solve in a proper way, right? So when I'll call for a copy, that you will submit the copy in the office. Do practice, okay, regularly, and you don't have to be panicked, right? Okay, if you find any difficulty, then you talk to me, you can call me, you watch the videos again and again. Okay, so I think this is quite enough. इतना काफ़ी है आज के लिए. Thank you so much.